This bag right here is the bag that you grab when your wife says, oh, hun, we're only going to be gone just a little while. This bag right here is that bag. This is going to hold everything that your wife sees. Ooh, that looks nice. And you have nowhere to put it. It's going to go in here, right? So don't get caught with just your pockets. We've all been there. Every man knows that the pockets just aren't big enough for nowadays. You need something big to go on your next adventure. Now, let me take you on a tour of this bag. Now, first off, if you haven't already noticed, this bag is leather and it is premium quality right out of the gate. I kind of like to feel the zippers and feel how smooth they are, because sometimes that tells me the quality of the craftsmanship. This quality of the craftsmanship is really, really exquisite. It's probably not going to be the top of the line, but it is certainly not the bottom, where I bought those cool looking bags and then you take them out and the first thing, these zippers don't zip, the teeth fall, these little things fall off, all that kind of stuff. I've had those experiences many a times. Maybe you have too. Right out of the gate, again, just looking at it, it looks really clean. It looks smooth. You could take this to the boardroom or you could take this to the camping trip. It fits both places really well. I like these leather kind of mole system right here, where you can just put anything else you want to right here. It is pretty tight. I'm not throwing like a carabiner on here because I don't want to really necessarily scratch the leather, but that looks cool nonetheless. And then right here you have your, hey hun, can you carry my lip gloss? Hey hun, can you carry my sunscreen? Hey hun, I don't have any more room in my pocket, can you carry my phone? That's what this guy's for right here, because you want to leave this open and available, because you know it's not a matter of if but when that conversation is going to happen. So basically just stuff that you want easy access to. And then if you get dehydrated, you have a water pouch on this side, and then you have kind of a sideways pocket here. This is probably a good place if you don't want to hold a phone. Is going to fit into here just nicely. If you want to throw your phone in there, you can. This little pocket right here is just that. It's just a little pocket. It's not too deep. It probably goes to about right here, the end of this. And it's not very deep. Just want to let you know that. So this is probably where you're going to throw your AirPods, Tic Tacs, breath mints, anything like that. You're going to throw that in there. Here's just another pouch for you. It's for another place where if you fill this one up, you're good to go. You have a backup pouch right here. It is, like I said, it's a day bag, so you could put some snacks in here, some granola bars if you're taking it out on leisure time. Right here, I love putting more of my electronic stuff. So not only do I put my sunglasses here, but I put my charging cables up in here. So and maybe even a charging brick right here. So things that I know that I have access to, and just keep them organized that way. Now, let me take you on the granddaddy of them all. The biggest pocket there is right here on the back side. And if you can see that, we have a pocket inside of a pocket right here. I love having a pocket inside of a pocket right here. Oh, that zipper is so smooth. That's just so satisfying right there. I call this my passport pocket, or my PP pocket right here, where I keep things that I don't want thieving buggers to get to, because this is easy access. You leave it around, somebody could get into that, but they can't get into this very easy if they have to unzip and finagle with that and then unzip this. So I leave my passport in here. Anything of that nature is going to live right here. Passport, wallet, keys, things like that, that I'm just like, okay, I want to make sure they're in a semi-secure place. If I forget my bag is on the ground or whatever, this is my PP pocket. All right, next thing, you're gonna have an open pocket right here, and just a small open pocket where you can put like a tablet, anything like that. And don't forget, you also, oh look, they give you your warranty card. So it does come with a warranty. How awesome is that? This bag actually comes with a warranty. Like I was saying, the quality of the craftsmanship is superb. So you do get a warranty with this bag. As we're coming down, you're gonna have access for some credit cards right here, as well as on the flip side. Yeah, obviously you have your deep pocket where you can just store just about anything you want and then some. And on this side, you have a couple open slip pockets right here. And then you have a couple areas where you can slap some pins in there. Oh, and did I mention that you do have a handle, a carrying case on the backside? And then you also have a slit where you can put this around luggage if you're using this as a carry-on. If you're using this as your personal item, you can slap this on a carry-on, and so it has wheels. All right, here we go. And your wife does just a little bit more shopping than you thought. Hey, this is getting heavy. You can snap in your back support, and then your wife can continue forward. And one last kind of thought, that while leather backpacks can look cool, they can also be just a little bit heavier than fabric backpacks. So just know that going in. But for me, that's a really good compromise because I'd rather have something that looks as good as this and it feels as good as this than something that makes me look like I'm still on my way to high school.